If Google Play Games is showing the error hardware virtualization must be turned on, here is the quick fix. First, restart your PC and enter BIOS settings. Inside BIOS, find the virtualization option and enable it. For AMD users, enable SVM mode. For Intel users, enable Intel Virtualization Technology, Intel vMex or Intel VDD. This option is usually under Advanced, CPU configuration, security, or overclocking settings. After enabling it, save changes and restart your PC. If the error still appears, do this. Right-click Start and select Run. Type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Now enable these three options. Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform. Click OK, let Windows install them, then restart your PC. After restart, open Google Play Games again, and the issue should be fixed. That's it. If this helped, subscribe for more quick PC fixes. Thanks for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.